Welcome, beautiful souls. The natural mystic frequencies is your sacred place for tuning into the energy of life itself. Today, we're diving into the magical world of high vibrational fruits of nature's colorful medicine, each bursting with its own frequency to nourish your body, awaken your spirit, and raise your vibration. From the grounding reds that fuel your root chakra to the luminous whites that connect you to divine light, we'll explore how each color carries a unique frequency that can transform your mood, your health, and your energy field. So grab your favorite fruit, open your heart, and let's align with the natural rhythms of the universe because your vibration creates your reality. Before we taste the sweetness of nature's gifts, let's first listen to the secret language they speak, the language of color and vibration. Each fruit is more than a burst of flavor. It's sunlight captured in form, a frequency your body can eat and your soul can feel. The color you see is not an accident. It's a message, a vibration, and a key that unlocks balance in your energy centers to your chakras. Each fruit color holds a unique frequency. Red grounds you in strength and vitality. Orange stirs your creativity and emotional flow. Yellow shines with confidence and joy. Green opens the heart and heals the spirit. Blue purple awakens intuition and inner wisdom. And lastly, white connects you to divine light and peace. Now that you felt the frequency each color carries, every bite you take becomes an act of alignment, and every fruit becomes a tool for transformation. Now let's explore them together. The high vibrational fruits and their color frequencies. Red fruits, the root chakra for vitality and grounding. These deep, earthy reds wrap around you like a warm blanket. They give you strength, vitality, grounding, and courage, anchoring you firmly to the earth. Cherries. Cherries are a sweet, vibrant red fruit, rich in antioxidants and powerful anti inflammatory compounds. They uplift the mood, ease stress, and promote deep, restful sleep. They raise your vibration by releasing emotional heaviness and restoring joy in the heart. Best way to enjoy: eat them fresh and in season, savoring each bite slowly to absorb their natural sweetness. Strawberries. Strawberries are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, supporting heart health and overall vitality. They raise your vibration by opening the heart center and attracting loving, harmonious energy. Best way to enjoy: choose fresh organic berries and rinse well before eating. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are antioxidant rich and blood purifying, supporting heart and fertility health. They raise your vibration by cleansing the blood, helping energy flow more freely through the body. Best way to enjoy: eat the seeds fresh or sprinkle them over salads and yogurt for a nutrient boost. Gooseberry, amla. Gooseberries are a potent source of vitamin C, boosting immunity, eyesight, and skin radiance. They raise your vibration by strengthening your aura and protecting you from low frequency influences. Best way to enjoy: eat them fresh if available, or use dried or juice forms without added sugar. Orange fruits, sacral chakra for creativity and flow. The glowing oranges feel like sunlight dancing on water, awakening your creativity, your sensuality, and your emotional flow that allows joy to ripple through you. Mango. Mangoes are sun charged fruits filled with vitamins and antioxidants that nourish skin and uplift mood. They raise your vibration by infusing your energy field with optimism and radiant vitality. Best way to enjoy: eat fresh and ripe or blend into smoothies for a golden energy boost. Pineapple. Pineapples are enzyme rich fruits that aid digestion and improve circulation. They raise your vibration by clearing stagnant energy and promoting emotional lightness. Best way to enjoy, choose fresh pineapple, not canned, and pair with mint or cucumber for a cooling effect. Oranges. Oranges are energizing and immune boosting, packed with vitamin C and life giving freshness. They raise your vibration by filling you with sunny, life affirming energy. Best way to enjoy, peel and eat fresh or juice by hand to preserve nutrients. Cantaloupe. Cantaloupe is a hydrating, rejuvenating fruit that supports skin elasticity and gentle cleansing. It raises your vibration by renewing your life force and promoting gentle emotional release. Best way to enjoy, eat fresh in the morning for a refreshing start to the day. Peaches. Peaches are soft and sweet, supporting skin health and emotional balance. They raise your vibration by softening emotional tension and inviting more love and ease into your energy. Best way to enjoy, choose fresh, ripe organic peaches and avoid canned varieties. Yellow fruits, solar plexus chakra for confidence and joy. These golden yellows shine like morning rays. They fill you with confidence, joy, and personal power that makes your inner light impossible to hide. Lemons. Lemons are alkalizing and detoxifying, stimulating the liver's natural cleansing processes. They raise your vibration by purifying inner energy and clearing mental fog. Best way to enjoy, squeeze into warm water each morning for a gentle daily detox, or add juice to nourishing lentil soup, and you can explore more healthy lemon recipes. Bananas. Bananas are mood lifting and nourishing, supporting digestion and nervous system health. They raise your vibration by grounding your energy while uplifting your mood, creating calm confidence. Best way to enjoy, eat ripe with brown spots, blend into smoothies, or create banana oatmeal. Also, you can explore more healthy banana recipes. Green fruits, heart chakra for healing and renewal. The soothing greens feel like walking barefoot in a lush garden. They heal, they renew, and they open your heart, inviting you to love without limits. Guava. Guavas are rich in vitamin C, strengthening immunity and gut health. It raises your vibration by encouraging healing and renewal at a cellular level. Best way to enjoy. Eat ripe with seeds, fresh or blended, and you can explore more healthy guava recipes. Kiwi. Kiwis are vitamin C powerhouse, boosting immunity and skin health. It raises your vibration by rejuvenating your energy field and inspiring fresh perspectives. Best way to enjoy, eat with the skin for extra fiber or slice over salads, and you can try to explore more healthy kiwi recipes. Young coconut. Young coconuts are deeply hydrating, rich in electrolytes and healthy fats. It raises your vibration by restoring the body's natural rhythm and enhancing spiritual clarity. Best way to enjoy, drink fresh coconut water and scoop out the soft white pulp, and you can explore more healthy coconut recipes. Blue purple fruits, third eye chakra for intuition and wisdom. The mystical blues and purples swirl like twilight skies. They heighten your intuition, sharpen your clarity, and whisper spiritual truths from deep within. Blueberries. Blueberries are antioxidant rich, protecting and repairing cells. They raise your vibration by sharpening intuition and clearing mental distractions. Best way to enjoy, eat fresh, raw and organic, or sprinkle on salads and smoothies, and you can try explore more healthy blueberry recipes. Dark seeded grapes. Dark seeded grapes carry high life force energy and naturally purify the blood. They raise your vibration by increasing cellular light energy, helping you feel more alive. Best way to enjoy, eat fresh with seeds, avoid overly processed varieties, make some juice with it, and you can explore more healthy grape recipes. Dragon fruit, pitaya. Dragon fruit is rich in antioxidants and supports glowing, healthy skin. It raises your vibration by bringing vibrancy to your aura and awakening self-expression. Best way to enjoy. Cut and scoop fresh, make acai bowls with it, and you can explore more healthy dragon fruit recipes. Figs. Fresh figs are mineral rich and grounding, supporting digestion and reproductive health. They raise your vibration by grounding your energy while gently opening the heart. Best way to enjoy, eat fresh and ripe or sun-dried without added sugar, make a fig salad, and finally you can explore more healthy fig recipes. Medjool dates. Medjool dates are rich in potassium and magnesium, offering steady, natural energy. They raise your vibration by restoring vitality and maintaining steady energy flow. Best way to enjoy, eat whole as a snack, pair with nuts, or make oatmeal with dates, and you can just explore more healthy date recipes. White fruits, crown chakra for purity and higher consciousness. These fruits with pure whites shimmer like moonlight. They connect you to higher consciousness, bring clarity to your spirit, and remind you of the divine light within. Papaya. Papayas are enzyme-rich fruits that aid digestion and support gentle detoxification. They raise your vibration by clearing internal blockages and allowing life force energy to flow freely. Best way to enjoy, eat ripe with a squeeze of lime for flavor and absorption, make smoothies or juice with it, and you can just explore more healthy papaya recipes. And there you have it, beautiful souls. It's your colorful gateway to higher vibration through nature's sweetest gifts. And remember, every bite is more than nourishment. It's an invitation to align with your energy, awaken your spirit, and let your inner light shine. But before we end this, here are some simple vibration boosting tips to carry with you. Always choose fresh, ripe, and seasonal fruits for the highest life force energy. Whenever possible, go for organic to avoid pesticide residues that lower vibration. Eat fruits in the morning on an empty stomach for better absorption and a natural energy lift. Combine with herbs like mint or basil to enhance flavor and energetic synergy. Chew slowly and mindfully to fully receive the fruit's frequency and nourishment. Store them away from electronics to preserve their natural energetic field. Infuse your fruit with intention, hold it in your hands, express gratitude, and imagine light filling your body as you eat. Carry these practices with you and let every fruit become a little ritual of love, energy, and joy. Until next time, keep your vibration high, your heart open, and your spirit radiant. Thanks, peace, love, subscribe, and eat healthy fruits. Thank you for watching. Follow us on social media at Natural Mystic Frequencies.